What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Some very exciting news has just come out in terms of the eToro listing or potential future listing, and I'm going to share that news with you guys today. So if you are new around here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, throw a like on this video, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Of course, this video is brought to you by Webull. I am a Webull affiliate. Link in the description below. When you sign up and open up a Webull brokerage account, deposit $100, you can get yourself a free stock valued all the way up to $2,000. And of course, you can start trading fractional shares on Webull now, as well as cryptocurrency. So go ahead, get your free stocks. If you don't like them, go ahead and sell them. You can keep it as liquid cash, or you can go ahead and buy some cryptocurrency on Webull. Folks, Shiba Inu is looking like it's going to be on a positive trend here on the day. Of course, we can't really tell. We were bouncing around up and down here and there, but in terms of the last few hours, it looks like it is on a slow upwards trajectory, which is always nice to see. Obviously, if you guys are here for the eToro news, I'm just going to get right into it, and then we can come back and talk about the price and where I expect it to go here in the next couple of days, weeks, and months. eToro tweeted 5 hours ago, and this is, of course, this is a meme that has been going around all over the place. We're adding new cryptos to the platform, and this says Shiba Coin is one of them, right? And then it's the face, and then it's one of them, right? So it's just a small meme here, obviously very funny, but it's very lighthearted of them to post something like this on their Twitter, and then they actually followed it up with, "We see how enthusiastic the community is about this asset. There are many considerations that are taken into account before we can add assets, but rest assured we're working on it. No ETA or guarantee for now." So obviously they're being very lighthearted about the situation, which is great to see. Posting this meme, following it up with a more serious connotation. So I am very excited in terms of the eToro listing. The CEO did come out earlier and say that he really likes Dogecoin as well as SHIB coin because of the communities and how strong, how tight knit, how vocal they are. So tweets like this are obviously a big deal. We will see. We just have to keep being updated in terms of the eToro listing. We did think that it was going to come this last Monday. Of course, this tweet, this little meme here kind of outlines it all, but it didn't come through, which is okay. And so now we just have to look to the future and see whether or not eToro is going to list this token. In terms of the price, I do think an eToro listing will be good for Shiba Inu. Obviously, eToro is one of the premier or one of the top trading platforms in terms of cryptocurrency, so obviously a big deal. We will see whether or not that comes through the pipeline. It wasn't one of those that we were talking about even months ago, but as soon as the CEO started saying these things, as soon as we started getting rumblings of SHIB token potentially being listed on eToro, everybody started getting interested. It wasn't one of those big catalysts that we were talking about constantly, but now it is. It's on the forefront. So we will see where it goes. They have been doing a better job than Robinhood at least giving us an inkling of information in terms of when this listing might happen or whether or not it's going to happen at all. So it's really nice to see eToro coming out and giving us this nice little punch because we really did need it. Okay, guys, that is pretty much it for the eToro listing. Now I'll talk about the price. First thing that jumps out to me, this 24-hour volume has just been falling every single day. We are below 400 million now, and it is down 50% on the 24-hour chart. So this is actually quite shocking. The fact that our 24-hour volume is down quite a bit, but the price is continuing to, at least do this little slight upwards trend. Let's go ahead and take a look at the candlesticks and look at the 30-minute and see how we are doing on the day today this morning. Yeah, not too many green candlesticks here, not too many red candlesticks. We did see this nice little jump earlier, and now we are just pretty much trending sideways. Not crazy, nothing insane, but we are looking like a green candlestick right here towards the end of this morning. And of course, the market cap has been following suit. As we see, we get an increase in the market cap, we get an increase in the price. That's just how it works, folks. I know not a lot of people care about the market cap so much. I do. As of right now, we don't really have a good burning mechanism, and in order to really push this market cap way to the roof, we are going to need a burning mechanism, obviously. And so people don't care about the market cap right now, but this is one of those tokens where I care about it just because there is not an automatic burn right now. So the market cap is a very direct reflection of how our price is going to move. Until we can get some type of token burn, hopefully we do. I don't know. The devs really don't feel like we need one, but we will see. So in terms of the price action, if we zoom out here, of course, all-time highs a few months, almost a month, a little bit over a month ago now, in early May. But this was honestly, guys, you guys got to remember something. This was generated a lot on people just climbing into this thing. A lot of hype here. And after the hype died down, we started consolidating, trending sideways a little bit. Obviously, the crypto market crashing a little bit did contribute to this downwards trajectory. That and a whole bunch of people taking profits as well. I mean, whenever this thing jumps up this high, if any asset jumps up this high, people tend to take profits. But now we are in the testing phase. This is where coins are made and coins are broken. Right here, where it's consolidating, this thing can go either way. I do believe, I am a firm believer in Shiba Inu, and I think this thing is going to go on an upwards trajectory, and I think it's going to do very big things in the long term. Obviously, I could be extremely wrong. Please go out and do your own research before investing into anything I talk about on this channel, but I do believe we are primed for liftoff here. Obviously, we are getting international recognition at this point. A bunch of news articles that are coming out regarding Shiba Inu, all these exchanges that are listing Shiba Inu, it's been a wildfire. We are just spreading like wildfire, literally. And so from here, we are primed, and this is where it's going to make the token, in my opinion. So folks, in the pipeline, we have a bunch of listings. Obviously, I've reiterated this stuff so much on my channel now, it's kind of getting old, but it is important to talk about. Obviously, the Certec AMA is going to happen any day now. They said that it's going to be on the Telegram. Shytoshi said the Telegram, as well as other sources, to view that Certec AMA. That is going to be a big deal because we are going to get some insight as to when Shiba Swap is going to be ready for launch. Sorry, not ready for launch. It is ready for launch, but when we are going to get the green light from Certec, the people that are doing the auditing for Shiba Swap, and when it's going to go live for us people to use it. Obviously, a lot of tutorials on YouTube right now, a lot of sneak peeks and previews. That's been all fine and dandy, but we need to get our hands on this thing because everybody's just been waiting in excitement and anticipation for this thing to come out. So, in terms of getting back to these all-time highs, I think the most imminent is going to be the Shiba Swap coming out and us being able to use it. Of course, people have been telling me in the comments that they think Robinhood is going to come first. To be quite honest, I don't know about that because Robinhood has not come out and said anything. But Coinbase also surprised us whenever they just listed this all randomly. And we saw that little tiny price bump whenever Coinbase listed this thing here on the 1 month chart. And of course, they took it back because there was some technical difficulties. But if the, and I outlined this in a previous video, if this Coinbase listing follows a previous coin that had the same technical difficulties, we should see the Coinbase listing sometime in mid-July, hopefully. And then the Robinhood listing, hopefully sometime within the next month or so as well. And then obviously Shiba Swap, I do anticipate it that's going to come out before the beginning of July, end of June, but I am patient. I am willing to wait even longer. Maybe they want the market to recover, etc. The audit's taking a long time, security measures. There's a lot going on with Shiba Swap, I understand that. Guys, if we very quickly take a look at the Etherscan, we have 544,000 holders. We are approaching 550, almost approaching 600,000 holders, which is absolutely insane. Whenever we talk about security, this is what we mean. There's a lot of holders of this token, and to make sure that to make sure that Shiba Swap is coming out and it's very tight knit, ironclad, no security deficits whatsoever, to protect these 544,000 people, it's important, obviously. And so we need to be patient, we need to be wary, and of course, we need to be on the lookout for the crypto market to recover. We see here over the last couple of days, we've either been trading sideways or a slight upward trajectory. Obviously, still down pretty badly on the 7-day chart, which is okay. We can see most of our coins are actually making a pretty nice recovery here over the last couple of days. Only time will tell if this is the true crypto market recovery. There are some people anticipating that it might be even worse this weekend. Some things might go downhill this weekend. I'm not one to, I don't have a crystal ball, so I'm not exactly sure. We will see. We're doing well on the 24-hour, but the 7 days still looking pretty red. So we will see how far this thing can go in terms of a recovery. And I'm hoping that it recovers prior to Shiba Swap releasing. But if it doesn't, that's okay too. I think Shiba Swap should be released as soon as it's ready, because regardless, it's going to be a good catalyst whenever we do become green again. If Shiba Swap is not released and the crypto market starts to recover, I think Shiba Inu will do well, but I think it'll do even better if Shiba Swap is released and then the market starts to recover. But either way, I think it's going to be a great catalyst and something to definitely be on the lookout for. We do know that the Wolf Paper 2.0, or the White Paper 2.0, for people that are not in this army just yet, the White Paper 2.0 is going to come out prior to Shiba Swap releasing. So be on the lookout for that prior to Shiba Swap releasing, folks. So we are going to get some type of announcement saying that, hey, this thing is coming out in the near future. That's at least what Shytoshi said. Again, could be a little bit wrong there, and I could have a little bit of misinformation, but I do believe that the Wolf Paper / White Paper 2.0 is going to release prior to Shiba Swap releasing. Folks, that's all I have for you guys today. Obviously, some exciting news in terms of eToro, a little bit of speculation there. We will see where it takes the price. that is pretty much all I have. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Throw a like on this video so we can get out to more people. Comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions, and subscribe if you're new around here or if you are finding your way back. Last but not least, the best way you can help out this channel is using that Webull affiliate link down in the description below. Open up a Webull brokerage account, deposit $100. You get yourself some free stocks that you can sell right away. Either keep it as liquid cash, or you can sell them and you can buy some cryptocurrency now on Webull and fractional shares of other stocks that you are into. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end, folks. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out to scene. Peace out.